Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Women's Day. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Kevin and I'm 15 years old. I'm studying at Amity Secondary School, and which more specifically is in class 94. On Women's Day, I especially want to give thanks to my mother, who gave birth and raised me until now. On this occasion, I usually go shopping and to buy some ingredients and foods. Then we can cook after we go back home. So we can use that food to watch a favorite movies together. Um, and there's two famous women that I admire, who is Marie Curie and Phot Sau. They all represent for the woman's personality. With Phot Sau, she is represent for the brave because she is a young woman who attended the war against France and sacrificed her life to protect country. And with Marie Curie, she is represent for smart and art intelligence because she is physics and chemist who received a Win Prize from Nobel. So that's the end of my speaking. Thank you for listening.